Let's see if horses like sweet potatoes. What do you think? You haven't ever had that before, have you, buddy? There's a pile right here. There you go. There's a pile right here. There you go. See. Thank Papa for that. Got a whole basket full of them for you. I think Miss Harley would like some too. Hey! No. I hope I got that. Yeah, now you wish you'd come down sooner? You wish you'd come down sooner now? What's wrong with this one? What's wrong with this one? What I did. And let's see one over here. There we go. One by your foot, Ranger. There. There we go. Well, sweet potatoes are a big hit. So you think, Papa? Thank you, Papa. Even Harley likes raw sweet potatoes. That's a phone, not. Okay, signing off.